So my next topic is to turn on LED one by one by shift register, using shift register. Okay, now suppose if I want to turn on this LED, then after few times this, then after few times this LED, up to so on. Okay, just remember you need the data. Okay, this is your data. It means 2 raised to power means your first LED, 2 raised to power 1 means your second LED, 2 raised to power 2 means your third LED, 2 raised to power 3, 0, 1, 2, 3 your fourth LED, 2 raised to power 4 your fifth LED, 2 raised to power 5 is your sixth LED, 2 raised to power 6 is your seventh LED, and 2 raised to power 7 is your eighth LED. Okay, first of all, let's write data pin is 2 and my latch pin is connected to pin number 3 and my clock pin is connected to pin number 4. Okay, now you have to write the sequence. Okay, as you know, it is my 8-bit shift register, so I'll write the 8-bit data. For first LED, 2 raised to power 0 means 1. Second LED, 2 raised to power 1 means 2. Third LED, 2 raised to power 2 means 4. Fourth LED, 2 raised to power 3 means 8. Fifth LED, 2 raised to power 4 means 16. Okay. Sixth LED, 2 raised to power 5 means 32. Seventh LED, 2 raised to power 6 means 64. And last 2 raised to power 7 means 128. Alright, now let's do our void setup section. We will declare all the pins as an output. Alright, that's it. Okay, latch and clock. Alright, now let's do our void loop section. Now here I want to turn on these LED one by one, so I'll write in I equals to 0 and my data, because my data goes from 0 to 7, I less than equals to 7 and I plus plus. First of all, digital write latch. I will turn off the latch pin first. Okay, shift out. Okay, first of all I'll write data and then clock and then your least significant bit first and then your data. Here is your data, because in this way you want to turn on the LEDs. Alright, here you write sequence I. Okay, now turn high your latch pin. Delay, let's see, 1 second. Okay, all set. Now upload your code, Arduino board. Okay, here's to 0. Alright, 2 raised to power 7, then again get back to 2 raised to power 0. Okay, suppose if I change the bit least significant to more significant bit, then my first LED will turn on, would be this. Okay, upload your code. I have changed least significant to bit to more significant bit. Just notice this one LED. Okay, now my sequence starts from here. Okay, now it depends upon you from where you want to turn on your sequence. Alright, so it was my second exercise. Now let's do our next exercise.